Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your TD bank account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your TD account, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in td.com like this, or you can simply search for TD login on the Google itself. Both way you will be landing on the same page. You can see the td.com on the first result of Google. Click over there and you can see this is the TD Canada Trust. And now let's close this. You can see the website, and when you are on this home page of the TD account, you can see this personal icon over here, or personal option over here on the top left corner of the screen. Click on personal, and you can see there are two types of login over here. Either you are EasyWeb online banker or a web broker online trader. For me, it will be the EasyWeb online banking, or if you are a web broker, simply click over here on the login to access your login page. Now to log into EasyWeb online banking, click on login, and this is the same web page as this one, same. So we will be closing this one. Now to log into your TD account, enter your username or your access card over here. After that, enter your password over here, and then click on log into sign into your TD account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password of the TD account, you can simply click on forgot your username and password over here to reset either one of those which you had lost. Or if you have not yet created account on TD, click over here which says open an account, and you'll be taken to the sign up page of TD itself. And there guys, this is how you log into your TD account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.